We have no choice. We're all going to age, but you do have a choice on how you choose to handle it. Hormones, they are a vital part of what helps our body function properly. So as we age, we begin to lose them, but you can get them back. CarolAnn is not only the president of SottoPelli, but she's also a patient too. And first of all, it's good to see you on Sonoran Living. Thank you for being here. You know, CarolAnn, this is a topic that confuses a lot of women. Some people say, oh, you don't really need them. Oh, yes, you do need them. You don't need them till later. What is the real story?
I would say the real story is check in with your doctor, have your hormone levels tested, get a baseline. We tell that to everybody regardless, whether they think they're going through menopause, starting into menopause. It's vital to start somewhere.
Okay, women can, and men can actually lose hormones, but even at a young age, can't they?
We're seeing people as young as mid-20s now.
Wow.
Women are starting in the 30s. I started in my early 40s. I was angry, I was depressed, I was a workaholic, couldn't seem to lose the weight. I was leaving things around the house. My sheets were soaked every night. And here I lived with the doctor who brought all this out.
Right.
And I couldn't quite figure out what was going on. So I had my labs tested. At 42 years of age, I literally had the insides of a 70-year-old woman.
Oh,
I was in
wow.
bad shape.
Yeah, but the good news is that you can actually reverse that, can't you?
Great news is we reversed it. I was no longer osteopenia. My hormone levels are perfect. I have the vitality and energy of someone in their 30s or 40s. I think I feel and look great in my early 60s. That's a testimonial.
Yeah, you are a testimonial. As a matter of fact, they put you on the cover of Phoenix magazine as the face of hormone replacement therapy. Congratulations.
Thank you. They put me on the inside of the magazine.
Okay, maybe, well, they should have put you on the cover then.
I agree.
But your husband really, Dr. Tutera, is the one that really kind of facilitated SottoPelli and what makes it today. It's trademarked, it's used all across the country. What makes SottoPelli different than other hormone replacement therapies?
Easily, he started back in '92 learning about pellet therapy. And at the time, everybody was doing the same dosing. We're not all the same size. We don't all wear the same size shoes. So he was back there literally shaving these tiny little pellets of hormone down. So he was doing lab levels and information and testing. He used common sense to treat people. So we're different because we actually care about people. We spend time with them. We test a variety of your hormone levels, and we're very good at what we do. We've been doing it the longest. So we've got a really nice,
got the experience backing you up, right?
We do.
Well, and you know, I think everybody, any woman or man watching this going, oh, I can relate to so many of those symptoms. How quickly can one expect to feel, you know, themselves again, really?
You know, everybody's an individual, so we tell everyone it can take anywhere maybe from a week, 2 weeks, maybe 3 weeks. It depends on how depleted you are. Okay. Just like a car.
Yeah.
If you're running on empty, you've got to wait for it to fill all the way back up to get going again, and that's what you're doing to your body.
All right, it is time to fill up the gas tank. How about that? CarolAnn, thank you so much for being here today and sharing your story. And I want to give you some information and a little special offer that she brought along with her today. Here's what happens. You mentioned Sonoran Living. When you call SottoPelli, new patients will receive $50 off their very first appointment. SottoPelli is located at 8412 East Shea Boulevard. That's Suite 101 in Scottsdale. The phone number to call is 480-874-1515. Learn more at SottoPelleTherapy.com.